Alright, this is just a quick follow-up on the silent but deadly. The bad coax cable was fixed. All that extra solder was removed. And this one is nice and smooth now. And here's the original good one. You know, no extra solder sticking out. And also tighten up the pins or the sockets here. They don't widen up like they used to. People waking up in the morning here. So we turn that off, and quickly we just kind of stick the fixed ends in the sockets now. Remember, these were super loose. See how that fits in there tight now? Even this thing is moving. And see how tight that is now fitting in there? That's the way it's supposed to be. Nice and tight all the way along. And this one too. Get in there. Nice and tight without widening it up. That's the way coax is supposed to fit and work. Not be loose and not have all that solder to widen it up. That's a correct coax line. You do that, you can run some power and not have problems. But you have bad solder, bad coax jacks, you want it to be tight. Okay, that's it for this follow-up. Bye.